Types of capital market products. Shares are one of the product securities traded in capital market. Before knowing how to trade daily stocks and safe stocks, you must know the various products in the capital market other than stocks. Capital market products are usually divided into two, namely securities in the form of ownership and securities in the form of money. Products sold in the capital market have a maturity of more than 1 year or are known as long-term instruments. The following are various products that are traded in the capital market. The first, common stock. Shares are a sign of ownership, of participation of the person or entity in a company. Blue chips are a type of common stock issued by large companies that consistently demonstrate the ability to earn profits and pay dividends. Examples of leading stock are PT. The second, proof of right. Proof of right is defined as the right to preemptive securities at the predetermined price for a certain period. Proof of rights is issued in a limited public offering right issue, in which new shares are offered for the first time to existing shareholders. Proof of rights can be traded in the secondary market for a certain period. Investors have the privilege of purchasing new shares at a predetermined price by exchanging their proof of rights. So, investor can benefit by buying new shares at a lower price. And the third, bonds. Another product traded in the capital market is bonds. Bonds are letters of acknowledgement of debt from a company with the ability to purchase the principal debt and repay it periodically or a predetermined time. Interest is a source of profit from bonds and can be paid annually or quarterly. A bond involves a binding agreement between the lender, the issuer of the bond, and the second party as the beneficiary of the loan. The issuer will get a loan from the bondholder with various set rules, such as a maturity of repayment, interest paid, and the amount of principal debt. And the fourth, preferred stock or preferred stock. Preferred shares are shares that give special rights or